The idea is to create a system that would keep a track on growth rate and existence of the plantation in the catchment area treatment area. It would also check illegal forest activities. HEPDA is an AI device which can collect data about the environment accurately and surveil the entire forest. To keep a track on growth rate and existence of the plantation in the catchment area treatment area. It would also check illegal forest activities. Keeping track of thousands of vegetation is arduous even though monitoring each one of them is a want. Maintenance of forest in a catchment area becomes so problematic nowadays. Deforestation become the most dangerous activity which causes soil erosion, landslides, and other natural disasters. HEPDA is an AI device consists of leader module, master module, slave module, and drone. Slave will be installed all over the forest. The forest is divided into parts and each part will have a master module with its drone. Drones and slaves are controlled by masters and masters are controlled by the leader. Drone would keep a track on growth rate, existence of the plantation, and both drone and the 3 modules surveil the entire forest for illegal activities and inform to forest officials of any. The drones furnish the graphic and comprehensible description of the vegetation. Drones and slaves are controlled by masters and masters are controlled by the leaders. Solution to keep a track of growth rate. The growth rate of the plantation/vegetation is divided into 2. 1. Growth of trees, height. Drone is used for this purpose. It consists of ultrasonic sensor, HCSR04. It is used to sense the distance between green blanket of the plantation, top of the trees, and the drone. Flight controller, Pixhawk 2.4.8, PX432-bit autopilot flight control board. It has accelerometer and gyroscope sensor to determine the altitude of the drone from the ground level. By subtracting these 2 values, the height of the plantation can be obtained and the growth rate is determined by periodic monitoring. 2. Density of forest. Density of the forest can be found using a ESP32 cam present in the drone, and the density of the vegetation over the particular geographical location is determined by counting the trees using image sensing. The drone will count each and every tree in the forest by using ESP32 cam, then it gives exact number of trees in particular geological location. Solution to find the existence of the plantation. To find the existence of the plants over the area is also found using ESP32 with image detecting. Using image detection and determination, different kind of trees can be identified. By using SWOT model to analyze and classify the geographical area and divide it into segments, from the area of serious erosions to area of no erosions. Simulation of water balance components, WBCs, is import for sustainable water resources development and management. The Soil Water and Assessment Tool, SWOT, is a semi-distributed hydrological model to estimate the WBCs by forcing the hydrological response unit. Geotagging is the process of appending geographic coordinates to media-based. Location map of the Chittor catchment, a major tributary of Thamirabarani River, Tamil Nadu, India. Yearly datasheets processed for accruing changeovers. A P Puram catchment area equals 1,300 sq.km forest cat, 219 sq.km agri cat, 744 sq.km wasteland cat, 250 sq.km. Total No of module required for 1300 sq.km slave, total, 597 No s master, total of 6 No s. Solution to check the illegal forest activities. Sound sensor is present inside master and the slave module. These sensors capture the surrounding noise and transmit the data to lead using LoRa communication. In lead, the received data is sampled and compared with pre-recorded audio samples in AWSDM, acoustic wave sorting and detecting module. If the sampled audio matches with the pre-recorded audio samples, drone will be sent to the place to find whether there is any human activities. If so, the image of the victim will be captured and sent to the forest officials. Even the forest officers can also communicate with the victim using the drone at the time of event itself. The growth rate has been monitored over the plantation twice a month, and the existence of the plantation is monitored over every week. The sound sensor in slave will be in active mode all the time, whereas the LoRa module and the Arduino Nano will be in deep sleep mode. Whereas if there is any detection of sound, the Arduino wakes up and transfer the audio signal go leader via master and confirms the problem with the leader's AWSDM module. If the audio matches with the pre-recorded audio sample, the master will send the drone to the place where sound is detected, and if there is any human activity, drone will give an announcement to the person that this forest is reserved and under the surveillance. Any illegal activities like cutting of trees is considered as offense to Government of Indian. Drone would take images of the victims and send it to the concern office and keeps tracking their activities.